The story from the project, innocent black man. Let me be clear. Damn, man. The story from the project, innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 125. Funny story, after that loss last week, I come out the office, head down. My wife says to me, what happened to taking it to the house to the spouse? And I was reminded that on Mondays, I've totally forgot about it because it's been a rough market in the last couple of weeks. So I'm wearing green, so you know what that means. It's Money Mondays. And on Money Mondays, we take it to the house for the spouse. The account is still in recovery mode, but we're still fighting. Was able to pull out a green day today, and I'm telling you exactly how we pulled it off. And today, midday, market recap. All right, y'all, let's go over the trades from this morning. Didn't get into a lot of trades, no need to, a lot of buying power left, but we already hit the mark. Like I said, the account is in recovery mode, so we can't be doing too many crazy things. Anyway, let's pull the charts up. The first trade was at 9.55. Really waited today to make sure I had a area of confluence before I took my trade. 9.55. All right, y'all. Okay, cool. The candle that starts the market at 9:30 is a green candle. The very next candle closes at 35, opens up at 30, is a red candle coming down. But we sit on the moving average. I don't like it. But after those two candles, I draw some key levels. The top one at least, which was at 521.14. Said to myself, it got to get above that for me to get a trade. I'm still watching it. The very next candle comes all the way down to 518.85. So now I got my two key levels and my area of confluence. So now I'm waiting. The very next candle, one that opens up 40, closes at 45, is a red candle. It's still in between my key levels, so no trade. We're waiting. The very next candle opens up 45, closes at 50. It's a doji candle, but it doesn't break the level, so what? No trade. I'm waiting. The very next candle, it finally breaks through the key level that I set. The one that opens up at 50, closes at 55. As it closes under the key level, I jump in. Start riding this bad boy down. I ride it all the way down to almost the candle close at 9.59. No ads, one contract. We out the door. All right, first trade was green. That's how I like it. And I like how I traded the area of confluence. All right, next trade was at 10.02. All right, cool. This candle closes at 10 o'clock. Now I'm waiting to see on that next candle. Are we going to get a reverse or we keep coming down? It continues coming down. I jump in 10.02 and hold that bad boy to about 10.03. Get out. Another nice trade. I like it. Cool. So now we add to the pockets. Not too much change, but enough for me to like it. And come on to the next day. All right. The next trade was at 10.35 to the upside. All right. Here we go. So now, after that trade, I got to watch this because it's coming down to another area of confluence, which is the key level, which is 515.86. We on SPY. All right, the 10.10 candle is a red candle. The 10.15 candle, green candle. I don't like these because I needed to come down to that key level because it looked like that's where it wants to go. 10.20, it finally breaks through, but not convincing enough. I'm watching it. All right, 10.25, it's sitting under the key level. 10.30, it's still under the key level. On the very next candle, it's a red candle. I jump in this one at 10.35 as the candle closes because now we got a what? On 10.25, we got a bottom. 10.30, another bottom. 10.35, a triple bottom. I like that. I mean, that bottom is holding. We going back up. I jump in at 10.35. Ride this bad boy up the whole candle to 10.40. Boom. And we get out. And that's it. That was the three trades of the day. And that's how we finished the day. You can see it there. Boom. I'll take it. No need to trade anymore. We got buying power. But that's it. We're not trading no more. We'll be back at this tomorrow. Why? Because the account is still in recovery mode as we climb back to the 2K level. Can't play no games. We don't know we're going to take a loss. But I do know we're going to be very careful as we climb back. Anyway, y'all, short video. Money Mondays. Able to apply the green day. We'll be back at this tomorrow. All right, y'all. Peace.